Jason's hands. I should have just stood here like this. Jason, that dance, I'm like, and then you're singing and rapping, not paying attention to my set. Oh, it's great, dude. And I'm supposed to come up here and just like talk. They dance, they say, guys, how we doing tonight? Good? Yeah. I just burned 30 seconds. That's cool. My name's Mike Hoover. And when people hear my last name's Hoover, they think of the vacuum, right? And just like the vacuum, I do get turned on my feet. Dude, my girlfriend is so hot, so beautiful, so sexy. She's got me questioning my sexuality. Like, I'm not gay, but I'm definitely not attracted to any ladies. Even though you're beautiful, I'm not attracted. Like, I'm sorry, I'm taken. Honey, no. Like, but it's crazy because like the other day she was giving me a blowjob, right? And I caught a glimpse of the reflection. And the first time in my entire life sexual career, I thought, oh my God, I wish there was another dick. Because I wanted to jerk off to this. And in the process, I accidentally punched my girlfriend in the head. Oh my gosh, let's switch topics. You guys switch the topics. I love your music, by the way. That was your original track? Beautiful stuff. At first, I was confused. I was like, they're doing the best karaoke with no words. But like, once I clicked, I was like, awesome stuff. I'm gonna follow. Thank you. But let's just go to the news. You guys pay attention to the news? Oh my God, the news is crazy. I begged to teach the news. I used to teach numbers, math, but I got in trouble because I got the one of the kids. He came to school and he ate 3 bags of little cakes. And I went up to him, buddy, 3 bags of little cakes. That's one big cake. You fat fuck. And I didn't get in trouble for calling him a fat fuck because that didn't happen. But what I did get in trouble for is I went to the trash can and got each bag out and wrote 200 calories plus 200 calories plus 200 calories each of them. Too many. But like I said, I had to teach the news because I got high and went to school and I was teaching math and threw the letters and the numbers up and that's algebra and I'm not supposed to be teaching algebra. So now I teach current events. Have you paid attention to the news? How am I supposed to create a multiple choice question off the Epstein list?
Come on.
Right? Charlie Kirk's neck exploded. Go ahead, write an essay. Fair, square, share. Oh my gosh. Did you see day one of Trump's inauguration? He made sure that we all knew there was only 2 genders, male and female. Right? That's crazy. Because, like, I don't know if he knew what he was doing because accidentally he fired all female postal workers. Yeah, he said no more male ladies. Oh man. You guys hear about that post-nut clarity? Like whenever someone comes to like, oh my God, what did I do that for? Or, well, fuck, like, let's go get plan B. I like to operate in an area of pre-nut confusion. Yeah, like I like to edge myself. And like I'm not, and then like when I walk around, I'm like so frustrated the entire time. In line getting coffee, I don't want to fight someone, fuck. Oh man, this is pre-nut confusion. Once it wears off though, you realize that you are in a jail cell. I'm just kidding. Yeah. No, I never realized I was in that cell. Do you have neighbors? Neighbors? Do you have neighbors? People that live across from next to you? I have neighbors that share my wall. And on one side, that guy I call Murder Matt, right? Because every time I see him, it scares the shit out of me. And I know I'm not allowed to describe him like this, but it's the only way I can describe him. He looks like if Bruce Jenner transitioned to Caitlyn Jenner and got, I'm gonna go back. That's what he looks like. Scares the fuck out of me every time, jump scare. And then on the other side, I have this sweet old lady. And I don't have any real issues with her. But like, her phone rings at all times, like 6 a.m. You just hear, boop, 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 boop. It's like ringing all the time. And my girlfriend and I, like, we make a game out of it. We start dancing. Boop, 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 boop. No, it's fine, because no one calls her anymore. I can do my sleep. Yeah. But